very common problem on these cars when you come to do work on your brakes, change your brake fluid and that kind of thing, is seized front caliper bleeding screws. And if you try just to unseize them without being very careful, you can just snap them off. So I'm going to show you how I go about unseizing them. Now, here we are, here's the caliper. This is the little thing here, underneath the dust cap. And you can bet your bottom dollar that if I just put a spanner on that and turn that hard, that would just snap straight off. And you can see the brakes are in good condition, the car's used all the time. Pads are good, discs are good. But I bet you that caliper bolt will be seized up. So we're not even going to try and undo that without putting some heat on that and some lubrication to free that off. Otherwise we'll never get it undone, we'll just break it straight away. Now first of all, you need to get a spanner that fits well, and this is 1/4 inch. This one, and you can see if I just squeeze that on, that just goes nicely. Alright, that's a nice tight fit, so that's the first battle over with. Then you need one of these, okay, or whatever type takes your fancy, okay, and you need to heat it for about a minute or so, or if you've got an acetylene torch, obviously a few 10 to 15 seconds is more than adequate, because they run a lot hotter than these butane propane torches. Very cold. Be careful to heat evenly to avoid the rubber hose from the caliper and also the rubber boots for the guide pins. If it flares like that, you've been a bit too fast with it. Okay. Now, put some lubrication around it after we've heated it. I'll just put a little bit, quite hot so it might smoke a little bit. And that's quite useful. Okay, excellent. Okay, now I need to give it a couple of taps with a hammer. Just gently. What we'll do now is we'll give it a try and see if it comes undone. We're not going to put too much force on. If it doesn't go easily, I'm going to go back to my heat. No, it's not moving yet. Try on a different flat, because I've worn that one down a bit. No, that's not moving at all. Right, so more heat. now it's come. You'd think with me heating it several times and, you know, pretty hot, I wouldn't be able to hold it, but I can. There you go, that's done. Alright, so that's ready now for bleeding when we need it.